Hey guys, how to fix video not loading on Skool. Alright, in the meantime, try these fixes. What you're gonna do, you're gonna clear cache from Skool. So I'm gonna go ahead to my settings, then general, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the iPhone storage. I'm gonna try to pin down Skool. Alright, and it's right here. Skool, yeah, here. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and upload the app and double click to upload the app and re-download it again with keeping your data, your essential data and files intact. Alright, if this still didn't work out, what you're gonna do, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, make sure Skool is updated to the latest version. Alright, in order to get access to all the new features, and that should work. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.